Question 12. The diagram below shows a circle K and points A, B and C are on the circle. So AB is the diameter, and so we're given some information here. AC is 8 centimeters and the area of the circle is 25 pi centimeters squared. So we have the area, so that will help us to get the radius or the diameter. So work out the smallest angle in triangle ABC. So we need to get another side here, because then we can use trigonometry with the right angle triangle. Alright, so from your theorems in the junior cycle, we have the two chords intersecting at 90 degrees here. Okay, now we want to get the smallest angle, so we're going to refer to that as theta. Alright, so we're going to focus now on the area. So the area of the circle is 25 pi. And that's equal to pi r squared. So we can divide across by pi. So r squared is equal to 25. And r is equal to the square root of 25, which is equal to 5. Okay, so that means that we have 5 plus 5. So our diameter is equal to 10 centimeters. So let's focus on the triangle here now, from C to A to B, because we want to find theta down there in the corner. So we're going to rewrite that, and we will look at it in a sketch, and we'll say that the hypotenuse is actually 10. Okay, because I'm going to flip it back to front here. So the diameter is the hypotenuse, and then the adjacent is 8. Alright, so you can see there I flipped that. Okay, and you gotta do that so you can see it clearly. So if we have the adjacent and we have the hypotenuse, remember from our trigonometry, we can say that SOHCAHTOA, or whichever system you use. So let's go with SOHCAHTOA. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and that's the two we have then. So we got it, and now we need to find our angle. So we can say that the cos of theta is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is 8 over 10, and therefore we can get the cos inverse for the angle. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 8 over 10. So you press shift in your calculator, and then you put the fraction button together, okay, into the input, and we get an angle then of, let's look at the rounding. So it's, we don't have to make it to the nearest whole number or decimal places, but it works out as, we'll just put 4 over 5 there, or 8 over 10, it's the same. So theta is equal to 36.869. So that's approximately, theta is equal to 37 degrees. Okay, and it makes sense, it looks to scale. So always check, does it make sense?